Hi everyone. So came down to the shore house. It's turned out to be a lousy weekend. We thought it would be a nice long weekend for the holidays, and I just took a trip down to Neptune's to the Silvas Orchid, which is in Neptune. I picked up 5 orchids. The first one I have right here is the fragrance is ridiculously good. This is the Marie Song. It is so fragrant. I have no idea. Walk into the room and it just fills the whole room. But if you look outside, it's like dark and gloomy, and the high tide is in. Water's just coming in. The next one I have is this. It looks more reddish. Actually, it's more like a magenta color. And this one is, or else your red heart Neptune. All nice big plants. You got them all for $30 each. The next one I have is it's supposed to be a yellow flower with the green lips, and this is the name. And it's got 3 buds on it. The next one I have is this Digbiana. I cannot take it out of this little tray thing because the wind is so bad it's going to knock it down. So that's a Digbiana. Even though it's a small pot, he charged me $30. He said it's an expensive plant. You can get it cheap. And the last one I have is this one. I think it's called, yeah, it's Miss Wonderful. It's a yellow flower. No, I'm sorry, this is a splash petal. So it's probably pretty much the same. He showed pictures pretty much the same as this, but it's got a yellow throat. So just enjoy this bloom. It's the most fragrant orchid I have, I think, in my collection. I will turn you off, this smells good too, but this one is really fragrant. And with that note, thanks for watching. Bye.